Hey guys, Craig with howtopest.com. Spring is coming and so are your uninvited guests. So today let's talk about a great product for that. We have Niban Granular Bait. This is a very versatile bait. You can use this bait indoors, you can use this bait outdoors. As you can see, we're out here right now. It comes in a 10-pound bag. It comes in a 4-pound shaker. The 4-pound shaker is very convenient. The bag, you're just gonna have to figure out how you're gonna get that stuff out, whether you're gonna shake it out of the bag or put it in some kind of duster, or if you're going to have an empty bottle of the 4-pound and put it into that. It just gives you a little more if you need a little more bang for your buck. The shaker itself, once you take off the tab, it's going to have holes in there like you would on a salt shaker, pepper shaker. You're basically going to just take this and you're going to shake it around your garden areas. You're going to shake it around your lawn. You can shake it onto ant mounds. It's not going to deal with fire ants, but it is going to deal with a variety of other ants. The great thing about Niban is it also deals with slugs and snails, so directly into your garden area. The beautiful thing about this product is it has no toxicity. So what you're doing is, instead of killing them through poisoning them, how this bait works is they ingest it as they're attracted to the bait, and then what it does, it allows their body not to extract nutrients from the food that they take in essence starving to death. So it puts a low footprint on the environment. The other thing I love about this, it's harmless to bees and butterflies. So you're not gonna wipe out species that we want to keep around, like honeybees and the butterflies. Once again, it holds up well in heat. It's going to hold up in extreme temperatures. It's not going to mold. It's going to hold up for months on end. It'll hold up into 4 to 6 inches of rain, just as long as it's not being washed away from where you're putting it down. So Niban Granular Bait is a great product for your home. If you have any questions about this bait, give us a call at howtopest.com. And once again, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get these videos and many more. Thanks, guys.